lost 25, didn't we?
We lost a lot there.
How dare you, little header. Okay, to explain that a bit, the red lines are from back in February when it was still the stock header. It didn't have the fuel pumps. It didn't have the big ported inlet. So you're seeing what I thought I was feeling. I was pretty confident I wasn't crazy. Yeah, it's like 500 to 700 RPM slower spool, which is eating all of my out of the hairpin torque. And then the top end just runs out of breath. Lost 25 right at the peak at around 6,300 or so. Yeah, 6,200. That's a much bigger tax for the sound you're getting out of that thing. Up to you guys if you want to commit to that one, but it definitely seems to hurt the big turbo folk. So we went ahead and did some cleanup, but it was very clear that it wasn't going to be back to its old self on this header. After that, we moved on to ethanol, which we got excited talking about FSAE days, and I accidentally put too much 93 in the tank. But it worked out because we still got up to E55 for the final pull. More to that.
I'm cool with that.
That's what I set out to come out here for.
Oh shit. 390 torque, we're good to go. I'm not gonna go any further with it.
Yeah, that's a party.
Are you okay with that?
Yeah, absolutely. Again, you have the green line as what we were back in February, stock header. Red is the new AFD unequal length header. And then blue line is the unequal length header, but now on E55. That's about as much as you can get off just changing fuel pumps, and the regulator is E60. You want to go any higher now, you're going to need injectors at this level. In at least most scenarios, and the autocross that I attend, I'm up in the RPM range just because all the tracks are laid out for V8 cars. So at least I'm still reasonably in the power band for the majority of what I'll be racing in. Needless to say, though, that stock header in my garage is definitely not going anywhere. I may cave in and put it back on at some point, but we'll see. There's a lot of effort to put that sucker on there.